Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kagam. Today I have another luxury unboxing of these beautiful gold earrings that I picked up in Dar from a jewelry shop. Let me show you. This is fine jewelry. They are 21k gold earrings. I'm going to put some pictures and video on the screen so you can see these really beautiful earrings, because I don't want to like mess up in this video because they're so gorgeous, so beautiful. Those of you who are email subscribers and members of my Facebook group, you would have already seen these. And moving forward in 2023, I will be showcasing all of my unboxings and new scores to Facebook group members and email subscribers first. So if you're a member of my group and you're an email subscriber, you'll see the things that I have purchased before everyone else. I'm not saying I'm like really important or anything, but if you like that kind of thing, you like seeing what people are buying, I think you will really enjoy my group. So make sure you go join it below. Let me show you these really beautiful, super cute earrings. They are adorable. They are so cute and dainty. It's really great to see like fine jewelry, and I have really massive nails on. My nails are so big. I'm struggling to even pull it out. You know when you have big nails, like you can do anything. Like women with long nails, like we can do it all. These earrings are so gorgeous and beautiful. I'm gonna put up a picture on the screen and then just walk you through them while I look at them in my hand. But here they are. They're so darling, so beautiful before they fall down. There they are. Okay, so let's just kind of go through them. They're super beautiful. So they're these like 21k earrings. They look like, it looks like a heart, but not like a triangle heart. Absolutely gorgeous. Love them, love them. So I saw these on Instagram. The jeweler is from Tanzania, and they're in Dar es Salaam. They're in the town center. For those of you in Tanzania or Kenya, they're based at Indira Gandhi Street in Dar es Salaam in the city center. I went to pick them up, and after seeing them on Instagram, so normally I'm the kind of person where I'm like, I can't be marketed to, but I was marketed to, honey, and I'm not mad. I saw these on Instagram. I thought they were so darling, so cute. You have to, if you're in Dar or Kenya, you have to like contact their WhatsApp to get prices. They don't put prices on their Instagram. And then you go to the boutique. There are two boutiques on Indira Gandhi Street. So on the, I think, hold on, wait, if you're coming from town, on the right hand side is the boutique where I purchased these, and then on the left hand side there's another store with more gold. They just sell gold. They don't sell anything else. So they sell 21k gold, 24 karat gold. The jeweler is called Yusuf Nasser Jewelry, and like I said, on Indira Gandhi Street. I literally never heard of this jewelry company before. I just saw them on Instagram, and I was like, you know what, a girl, honey, needs some 21k, 24k gold on her freaking earlobes, honey. Okay, that's what I was thinking. So when I saw these, I was like, I want it, I'm getting it. Okay. So yeah, they're super beautiful. They've got this really cute like flower design in the center. They're so adorable and cute. They've got this flower design. They've got this really beautiful, it's like, I don't know, it's I don't know, just like the way the gold looks. It's like they took like a lace net and made it of gold, and honestly they look so beautiful and yellow gold, and they look so powdery. It looks like someone has taken yellow gold stardust and just shimmered it all over the earrings. They're absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. They're really, really pretty. Yeah, so I picked these up, love them. They're very lightweight. I'm not going to put them on because they actually, because of my nails, they took forever to put them on, because I did wear them on the weekend. And they took forever to put on. Like, my husband was like watching me put them on and then try and put the butterfly so that the earring would stay put. And it's nothing about the earring. The earring is high quality. They're very quality. It's high quality jewelry. But it was because of my nails, the fact I still have my press-ons on. But yeah, they're really, really gorgeous and beautiful. And then the back, there's a stamp as well. And yeah, they're just these really simple, cute, heart-shaped 21K gold earrings from here, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I've already told you the name of the jeweler as well. Like I said, I had never heard about them before. I had just discovered them on Instagram. I was like, let me go to their boutique and see the tea. But I really love these. I think they're super beautiful. They look very yellow, so even if I put them on now, you won't be able to really tell like how they look like on me. So I'm going to put, like I said, I would have inserted pictures of how they look like I would have taken pictures of myself, because I feel like the pictures are much more, I don't know, I feel like the pictures tell the true story, whereas here there's a lot of harsh light because of the ring light and stuff. So yeah, I really love these. I think they're super darling, super gorgeous. Let's talk about price now. So let me put them down in the package. We'll talk about price and we'll talk about the shopping experience of shopping there. Okay, so the price was, and I have the receipt here. Get the receipt out. The price was 660,000 Tanzanian shillings. So 660,000 Tanzanian shillings. So let me just work out how much that is going to be, give or take. In fact, even better, I'll just put the conversion up on the screen because I can't remember it now off the top of my head how much that is in dollars or pounds or Kenyan shillings or euros and all the rest of it. But yeah, so I think that they're really, really beautiful, very cute. They're very day to night. You can wear them at night. You can also wear them during the day. I think they're really darling and adorable. If you remember when I went to Paris in January, I got the Louisette earrings from Louis Vuitton. Those are just metal brass. They're just costume jewelry. Those were, I think those are like a little bit more expensive than this, and this is 21K jewelry. But honestly, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I look at things based on the way they look. Like for me, it's about aesthetics. I saw these earrings. I thought they were so cute, so darling, loved them, and I thought I should buy them because they're so cute. I love hearts. I love things that look ultra feminine and beautiful. They are absolutely stunning and I really, really like them. Like I said, they're from day to night and they are obviously 21K gold, so it's going to be great for all like uses. I can obviously shower with them, that's not a problem. And also it can be worn for all kinds of occasions. I can wear them to church, I can wear them to, you know, parties. I can wear them, you know, during the day when I'm going to work, when I'm going to the office. I think they're really beautiful. One of the biggest like misconceptions I think about 21K gold and 24K gold is people think that it's too gold. And I think that's because mainstream brands like Cartier and Van Cleef and Arpels feel like it's not, I don't know, I feel like the mainstream brands don't use 21K or 24K for whatever reason. Maybe because, I don't know, maybe in the Western world people don't like it. But at the end of the day, in Africa and in the Middle East, 21K and 24K gold is where it's at. Like, this is the gold that we wear, and it's completely normal to wear this gold. So you might be like, whoa, it's so bright and yellow. It's literally people here will be looking at 18K carat gold from Cartier and Van Cleef and be like, girl, bye, that is not enough. People be like, what is that? Like, what is that? Like, that's nothing, you know? So I think it's just a cultural thing. I think I've said it before, but you know, palladium or silver, like no one cares about that here. That is not a thing. I think there are a lot of things that are very like Western and westernized that have just are not going to catch on here because it's not something that we would have in the culture here. So for example, gold is also a symbol of wealth. It's also a symbol of you, you know, doing well for yourself. People treat themselves to gold here. So someone here wouldn't necessarily be like, oh, let me go buy a Birkin or Kelly. Someone would be like, you know, I'm going to go to the jeweler and buy myself some gold or buy myself some tanzanite. Of course, I'm sure there are people who like palladium and who like silver, but there is not really a market for that type of metal or hair, because I feel, in terms of jewelry, because people are really into gold. Because people are into gold so much, there are a lot of these like gold jewelry boutiques, particularly in town. Those of you from Dar, you know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of options. I don't know a lot about this scene because I haven't had great experiences at jewelers in Dar. Like anytime I try and go to a jeweler alone, it's like a weird experience. Sometimes I'm not treated well. This was better. And I saw them advertising on Instagram, and they were very professional in the WhatsApp messages. So if you're in Dar, I also think the prices are fair for what it is, considering that this is the solid gold 21K pure gold earrings. I mean, I think that it's a good price as well. So 660,000 Tanzanian shillings, and they're very beautiful. I mean, I must say, when I first saw them, I was like, wow, they're kind of small, but obviously social media, everything looks bigger on social media, you know, compared to, you know, when you're looking at it, you know, in real life. But they're super cute. I put them on, they're absolutely adorable, so feminine, and even my husband was like, wow, they're really, really nice, they look really good on you. So you will let me know what you think about my new 21K gold earrings. What kind of jewelry are you guys going to be buying? It's good that we have started 2023 with a fine jewelry unboxing. I would love to know what fine jewelry you guys are going to be buying moving forward. So yeah, make sure that you let me know what fine jewelry you're going to be picking up. I would love to know. And also, like, what are your thoughts on 21K gold or 24K gold? Do you like 21K or 24K gold? Even if you're someone who likes palladium, I would urge you to like come to Tanzania, or go to the Middle East, go to the UAE, and go find some really beautiful 21K or 24K gold. Because I feel like once you see it and you see it on your skin, you will just be like, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous and beautiful. I feel like white gold hair is popular, white gold is a thing, but I feel like here it's really about yellow gold. I have noticed like more Tanzanian women wearing like rose gold. It's definitely becoming more popular with people here, but I definitely think yellow gold is the most popular type of gold. I would love to know what you think about this unboxing. I would love to see you in my Facebook group, so please go join us, link below, and also go join my email newsletter, honey. You don't want to miss out. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm available wherever you are. I am there, so make sure you go follow me. If you have any questions about gold in Tanzania, 21K gold, 24 karat gold, buying gold in Tanzania, let me know. Generally speaking, lots of people get quite stressed about buying these things here because they're worried about being ripped off. I'm definitely someone who knows like if something is priced well. I think that these are fair prices, especially considering that the earrings are very dainty, they're very delicate and very dainty and cute and super feminine as well. I'll be wearing them in future videos, so you'll be able to see them moving forward. I really hope that you have liked this unboxing, and if you would like to see more of my luxury unboxings and luxury hauls, please go follow or go like watch the playlist and I don't know if you can subscribe to playlists on YouTube, I don't know, but subscribe to my channel anyway and hit notifications, and then you can see all of my unboxings and hauls on my playlist. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.